To stitch the ear in place in the head, you're going to want to be working on the last stitch of the second row and the first stitch of the second row. So we're going to start with putting this ear back against the back of the head, and we're going to go ahead and go into that first stitch there. You go through the ear, and then you also go through the head, and single crochet stitch as normal. And then the second stitch is on the other side. Go in. Once your ears are crocheted in place, they should look like this. To tie the ears down, you're going to want to take your darning needle and thread the back of the ear through it. I'm then going to take this and go through right in the back of the ear and pull that through. I'm then going to take the 2 yarn tails from the same ear, and I'm going to tie these together inside the head. This is going to help keep the ear upright and in place. Okay? We'll go ahead and do that on the other side as well. Okay. So after your ears are tied in place, all your yarn tails should be on the inside of the head and the back of the head should be clear.